Hey guys, today we are in Audi Q3 and this car was serviced a few days ago, so we had the oil changed, we have the general inspection performed over here, and right now I'm going to reset the reminders which are over here. If you use the MMI controls over here and select car, there's an option called servicing and checks. And over here you have service intervals. You can see when's your next oil change, when is the next general inspection service. And if you just replace the oil, you can scroll down and there's an reset oil change interval option over here. So you can select it, confirm it, and this is it. This was changed. We have new values, new reminders over here of both for the distance and time. Keep in mind that those values are just idiotic. They were set by the dealer, I believe, or previous owner. I'm going to change it for a custom interval. That's for our next video, so please check it out. I'm going to show you how to set this to custom values. And right now, since this car was serviced about 20 days ago, I want to adjust this, because right now the car thinks it was just serviced. Yeah, we just reset those reminders, but actually I want the car to know that it was made 20 days ago. So over here in the OBD2 port, there's an OBDeleven dongle connected, and over here on my phone, there's an OBDeleven application running. You can use any other diagnostic tool which is capable of changing adaptation values in Volkswagen, Audi, Seat and Skoda cars. I'm using OBDeleven. So over here we are going to enter a list of all modules, and we are scrolling down to module 17, which is the instrument cluster, the dashboard. And over here we are going to enter adaptation, and in adaptation we want to search for channel called SIE, so this is service interval extension. And there are two channels that are interesting for us. Time from inspection, so how many days ago the inspection was made, right now is set to 0, and we want to set it to 20 because the inspection, the oil change was made 20 days ago. So let's write it. We can already see over here that this was updated. We no longer have the 730, we have the 710 days over here. And right now we are going to do the same for the distance. Distance driven from inspection. It's set to 0 kilometers, and we are going to change it for 500 kilometers. This car was not used much since the service. Okay, and we can see that both those values were updated. So now for the general inspection, you cannot reset the general inspection with the control knob or with a button combination over here. You need, as far as I know, diagnostic interface. So we are looking for channels starting with word fix, and we are looking for time since last dependent inspection. Once again, let's set it to 20, or set it to 0 if it was just made. Slide to right. And the same goes for distance covered since last mileage dependent inspection. Let's set it to 500 kilometers. Slide to right. And we can already see on the display that the next service is in roughly 30,000 kilometers or 3 years. This is even more idiotic than the previous one. So check out my next video where I'm going to show you how to adjust those values to something a little bit safer for your engine and for your vehicle and your wallet. Okay, so in the description below this video you will find more details about this procedure. Give me thumbs up if you like this simple tutorial and subscribe for future ones. See you soon.